This class is all about drawing and painting mountains. You'll learn how to start with simple shapes to establish the overall composition before moving on to more complex textures and lighting patterns. My goal is to help you see through the complexities so that you can approach any mountain scene with confidence. Using the provided references, you'll be able to paint along with me as I talk you through my thoughts and techniques for achieving more interesting mountains. With demonstrations in both watercolor and gouache, this class is aimed at a wide variety of students who have the same goal: painting better mountains. As always, my teaching style is to understand the reasoning behind the choices and provide repeatable strategies so that you can feel more confident in approaching your own unique scenes for years to come. So grab your sketchbooks and let's get started.